The 6-speed automatic transmission in the Honda Pilot is pretty reliable if it's serviced well, but in the 2017 and 2018 model years there was a batch of cars with defective torque converters sold around the world. In the US, Honda made a warranty extension for these vehicles for 8 years and 150,000 miles. If you have a 2017 or 2018 Honda Pilot and you see the transmission system problem warning, the best thing you can do is to drive to the dealership without turning the engine off. One of the conditions to be eligible for this extended transmission warranty is the code P0741 stored in the control modules. If the dealer can't see this code, they will not extend the warranty for your vehicle. The problem is with the torque converter fluid circulation system. There is a crack in a certain valve and it stops holding the needed pressure, so the entire torque converter and several other things need to be replaced. The trick is that this P0741 code will disappear after several key cycles and you will not be able to prove anything to the dealership. If you sometimes see this transmission system problem warning in your Pilot, you better use this warranty extension program. The TSB is 23078 and it was only issued in 2023. Now in 2025, a lot of 2017 models will lose the chance to be repaired for free. If the car is not under warranty and this problem happens, the torque converter replacement will cost you several $1,000s, so it's worth trying to get it replaced for free. In other model years, you can also see the transmission system problem warning when your automatic transmission is about to die and it starts slipping or skipping gears. In this case, the transmission will need to be seriously repaired or replaced, but this usually happens after the car reaches 200-250,000 miles or more. Or this may also happen if you haven't changed the fluid in this transmission with the proper interval.